Hi, I'm Gino from Pizzeria 123, and today I will demonstrate how to use our focaccia bread mix. What I have here is some extra virgin olive oil, cherry tomatoes, oregano, black oil cured dried olives, our focaccia bread mix, sea salt, and our water. We're going to begin by adding the 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and our bread mix. Ten minutes have passed, and I'm going to begin mixing on speed number 2 on the KitchenAid for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to stop this for about a second to make sure that all the flour got incorporated into the mix. I'm going to let it go for another minute. Five minutes are up, and I'm going to shut off the machine and scrape the dough into the bowl off the hook. This is what it looks like. I'm going to just scrape the sides a little bit. And I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes. I'm going to preheat my oven to 450 degrees. I'm using a 12-inch non-stick pan, which you can purchase from Pizzeria123.com. I'm placing a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil into the pan. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Get my fingers in there. I'm going to I like to put a little bit of sea salt right at the bottom. This is what our partially risen dough looks like after about a half hour. I'm going to gently place it into the pan. Like so. Gotta get your hands oily. How focaccia is made. And we're gonna work it into the pan. Slowly. If you have problems doing this, let it rest, do it again, let it rest, do it again, but it should go pretty fast. I'm making the dimples into the dough. And once I get it close to the edge of the pan, I am going to let it rest for about 45 minutes. I'm going to cover it, and then we'll make the focaccia and bake it off. We are now ready to make our focaccia. I'm going to remove the plastic, that I had covered. It has risen nicely. Took about 40-45 minutes. I'll wet my hand just a little bit. And I'm gonna start placing my tomatoes. I'm making a focaccia, which is known as focaccia barese. You could also make it the way you like to make it. You could put some onions on there, some just olives. You can make it with just rosemary. You could also make a pan pizza with this. Believe it or not, I would cook it halfway, remove it, put some Neapolitan pizza sauce on there, and some mozzarella cheese. So you want to be gentle with this. You don't want to deflate the focaccia, slowly squeezing the juices onto the dough. Okay. Add some olives, dried cured olives. I'll sprinkle some oregano. A little sea salt. Gotta season those tomatoes. Extra virgin olive oil. Gives it a nice flavor, especially in the bread mix. We're ready to bake. "22 minutes are up, and I think my focaccia is ready." Focaccia barese. Look how easy it comes out of the pan. Our finished product. We have, see these little holes that you have there? That is a result from a properly leavened dough. Okay. I let it cool off for about 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna cut it. I forgot.